Hi, I'm Bob Mack, Director of Business Management for Carestream Health.
And I'm Doug Rufer, Director of Technical Marketing and Clinical Sales at Carestream Health. And today we're going to talk a little bit about cloud services and how Carestream actually handles that today. So, Bob, what is Carestream's definition of cloud services?
Well, cloud services are a new business model for delivering our functionality. We have an established model in the legacy capital acquisition transaction for purchasing much of our portfolio: archiving services, PACS services, risk services, and cardiology. And as you know, in the PACS business, there's many components to that, and one of them being the fundamental component, which is archiving, and that's archiving the pixel data. And what we've done is, a few years back, we put that archiving services in the cloud, which in this definition means a hosted solution where Carestream relieves the customer of the cost and infrastructure needs associated with a growing archive. Data is growing faster and faster. Data sets are getting larger and larger. Obsolescence comes faster and faster. We remove that burden from the customer by providing a hosted solution for the archive. And so that would be a cloud service, a definition of cloud service. We also have a hybrid model that sits in between the two, of an on-site capital purchase and an off-site hosted cloud services solution. And that's a hybrid where some customers want to keep some of the data locally and the remaining data archived in the cloud. And some customers want to give access to their users locally, on site, within their bricks and mortar of their four walls. And some organizations want to give that remote access to users from the cloud. And that alleviates the local area network traffic.
Is there like different types of services that Carestream offers in regards to the cloud, like different models, if you will?
Yes. The models are, they do range, as I say, from the capital acquisition on-site model to the fully hosted cloud model, and then a hybrid model in between. We offer the portfolio of different services could be done at multiple points based upon the customer's comfort level.
Okay. What about like private versus public? Is there a difference between that?
Yeah, actually, Carestream is the second largest cloud services footprint in the world. We have 10 data centers worldwide. We have 5 public cloud data centers and 5 private cloud data centers. The private cloud data center is something where the customer is enabled for cloud services by the Carestream application and our professional services, but they provide the bricks and mortar for the data center. They're the only client on that cloud, and so they're not in a hosted environment with other customers. Our largest customer in that arena puts through approximately 7.5 million studies a year into the archive. And then in the public cloud, where we're doing the hosting for the customer, we also range in size for those customers. We can scale all the way down to a spine center that produces 5,000 studies a month, and we'll host that for them. So our solution scales from the lowest to the highest of volumes, and also can transition from the hosted public cloud to the private cloud. We can go either way. An HIE is an example of a public cloud where our infrastructure can support an HIE, a health image exchange, health information exchange, to share data, and we can image enable that, and we could do that in a public cloud environment to do that remotely. So we could deliver under both models, public or private.
Okay. And last, what do you think if you have a crystal ball, if you will, what do you think the long-term strategy is, or where do you think Carestream's going? What new product offerings are they looking to implement in the cloud, say in the next year or two?
Well, I don't make predictions. I don't play the stock market, but I do watch trends, and I do have a full understanding of Carestream's commitment to our customers. And Carestream is committing to meeting the needs of its customers, today's needs and tomorrow's needs. And we meet the needs today by changing with the marketplace. We're introducing more and more tools to the cloud services, whereas functionality that is currently available today on the diagnostic desktop with a thin client, downloadable footprint on the workstation, where the heavy lifting is done in diagnostic. We're bringing some of those tools to our zero footprint client for a physician's portal, allowing them to do image comparisons and study manipulation. And we're bringing more tools to our patient portal, which is designed to help an organization reach stage 2 meaningful use by having patient engagement and being able to access their data digitally. So by being able to move those tools from the legacy platform to the new platforms of today's technology meets the needs of our customers.
Great, thank you.